Okay, this is 7-2, problem number 21. Let's take this left-hand side and make it equal the other side. All right, so I'm looking here and I'm trying to decide how to tackle this. Remember, there really isn't a wrong way. It's just how long do you want to spend doing the problem, you know? If you pick a different way, sometimes it just might take longer. So I'll just roll with it. If it takes me a while, that's okay. All right, so if I look at this, I know obviously I need to get these together to be one term. So I'm gonna go ahead and multiply by 1 minus sine of x. Okay, so then what we have is cosine of x, cotangent of x, minus parentheses 1 minus sine of x. We gotta be really careful with those parentheses. That's all over 1 minus sine of x. All right, so now from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and see what cotangent is. Remember, tangent is sine over cosine. Therefore, cotangent is cosine over sine. So now we're looking at cosine of x times by cosine of x over sine of x. Let's just distribute that negative through, minus 1 plus sine of x. And that's all over 1 minus sine of x. Okay, so this is going to become cosine squared. Interesting. So then we have cosine squared x. Cosine squared x, sorry, I'm just looking at this, over sine of x. Then we have minus 1 plus sine of x. And that's all over 1 minus sine of x. Let's continue to look here. Interesting. I hope this person wrote down the problem right, first of all, because that could obviously cause us an issue. All right, so I guess I'm looking at this, I'm like, I guess I better get these all together. Yeah, this is looking good, actually. So let's get these together here. So I'm going to times by sine of x, sine of x, sine of x, sine of x. So then on top, I now have cosine squared x minus sine of x. Oh, dang, you can't see that. Let me scoot this over. Then I have plus sine squared x. Oh, yeah. So then from there, what we're gonna have happen is, look, we have a 1. If we were to reorder this, and that's, sorry, I'm gonna not keep my work straight so I don't get lost in all this. That's still all over 1 minus sine of x. So now if we were to put these together, that's a 1. So what do we have? I love this one. 1 minus sine of x over sine of x divided by 1 minus sine of x. And look at that. Dividing fractions is easy as pi. Flip the second and multiply. So we'd be multiplying by 1 over 1 minus sine of x. And then look at that. They're dividing out, leaving us with 1 over sine of x, which is cosecant of x. Love that one.